Aloha, my friends. This is Billy Wiggly coming at you live from the Ninth Island, Las Vegas, Nevada. How's everybody doing today? How are you doing today? Are you staying positive? Are you ready to learn how to highlight dates due next week, like I got right over here? So what we've got is we've got some tasks that we want to complete. We've got a start date, and we've got the dates they're due. So we want to put some conditional formatting into the due date column that highlights the due dates next week. Check this out. Let me refresh so you can see the conditional formatting in action. Watch. Only the dates, the due dates for next week will be highlighted. Check it out. Refresh, 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 refresh. So only the dates. The dates keep changing, and only the dates, due dates next week, are being highlighted. So, my friends, let's keep on learning. Check it out. Woohoo! Coming at you live at 30 frames per second today. I've been streaming at 60 frames per second. I wonder why everything looks so sharp and so jerky like that. And I realized, hey, it's 60 frames per second. That's like for video games. 30 frames per second is where we're at now. And we've got this spreadsheet right here. And I'm going to go right ahead and clear all of the conditional formatting right from this column. So I'm going to go right up into my home tab, into my conditional formatting tool, and I'm going to go to clear rules. I'm going to clear rules from the selected cells. Boom, gone. And so what we want to do is we want to highlight dates that are due next week. And the way that we do that is we apply conditional formatting just like this. And conditional formatting is step 4 of the 7 steps of highly effective people. Oops, excuse me. Step 4 is formatting. That is the 4th step of the 7 steps of Excel success. There we have it. All right. I didn't have my coffee this morning. So let me go right ahead. Let's go ahead and once again, step 1, to apply conditional formatting to highlight due dates next week. So select the column that I want to apply conditional formatting. Go to my home tab where all my formatting options are. Then I head on over to the styles group where I have the conditional formatting tool. And then I'm just going to say, hey, highlight cells rules. And here we have a date occurring. Check that out right there. A date occurring. Boom. So now let's click on that and let's see what this looks like. Look at that. You can apply conditional formatting to a date occurring by formatting cells that contain a date occurring. Look at these options that we have right here. Pretty cool, yeah? Look at that. And let's say next week. And we can choose the different types of formatting that we want. And here we're seeing a little preview. And we can go with yellow fill with dark green text, green fill with green text. But we can also do a custom format. And that's what I did in the example that I was showing y'all. So we go to custom format. And then here in our format cells dialog box, we can go ahead and set the format. We can set, I'm just going to set the fill format, that's all. But we can set all these other formats. So for the fill, I'm going to go with this blue right here that I like. And then I'm going to press OK. And I'm going to press OK. And there we have it. Conditional formatting highlighting due dates next week. Now I'm going to press F9 to refresh because I have a formula in that column that gives me random dates between 2 specific dates that I specify. Maybe ask me in the comments how I did that and I'll reveal to you the formula. But right there, every time I press F9, it refreshes, the dates changes, and only the dates that are due next week get highlighted. And that's it. That's how we use Excel. We always just got to keep on learning, my friends. And remember that I teach Excel live classes during the week. Watch this. Go to Don't Get Mad, Get Skills. Don't Get Mad, getskills.com, and you're going to land right at the page. Oops. the page that has all the live classes. So don'tgetmadgetskills.com takes you right here. If you're not already registered on this website, if you're registered to our don'tgetmadgetskills.com, then you got to type the 7 steps live. Otherwise, if you're registered to this site and you go to don'tgetmadgetskills.com, you're going to go directly to the blog. Everybody else that's not registered on this site, just type don'tgetmadgetskills.com. You're going to end up right here at the schedule of live classes coming up. So we've got step 4 and 5 and step 6 and 7. 2 more classes coming up. We've got the next one, learn how to make your reports pretty, where we're going to learn more about conditional formatting and different ways to format your reports, and basically what is on the home tab, formatting options. Want to know more about what's on this class? Once you're here at don'tgetmadgetskills.com, just click right here, just like that. Boom. And it's going to take you right into the details for the class. And then you can just scroll down and see what we're learning, and then just go right ahead and click register now, and you'll be registered. And then you can get yourself some skills, my friends. So remember, keep on learning. And like I always say, I love you. And most of all, don't get mad. Get skills. Aloha.